What's up, everybody? I'm Angel. Here we are with Santi, my brother Victor, and the boy Rob.
We're on YouTube and taking three of us to take that shit.
Taking three of them to get that off the box. We're gonna be installing some long tube headers on my 2006 Chevy Silverado. Got some good news and some bad news. Got the big Saint over here. I will start off with the bad news. Bad news was, before recording all of this, I sideswiped. Prior to putting the truck into the garage, I sideswiped my truck.
I thought I was driving my troquilla.
Yeah, I'm used to my little hard body, according to Santi. And happened to sideswipe it onto this. You don't know más que chulada.
Put those on the fucking TV, bro.
Got the power coated pace setter headers. And it's gonna be a little installation video for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got, where's the other Victor? Got other Victor.
See, that one sounds like a fucking Honda, bro.
So yeah, stay tuned for a little installation video on these headers. And let me know what you guys think.
Hold on, let me see.
Trying to see if we could fit Rob into this. Got Hulk smash.
Hulk smash.
So yeah.
So hey, what the important thing to do here is always look at your packing list, okay?
You see my packing list according
limited
to
warranty.
Limited warranty. Check them out, the limited warranty. So originally, I bought these Flow Tech headers, and the passenger side didn't fit my truck, so I gotta return them because they were hitting up against the frame. Oh, my hood's closed. Hold on. So I got the 4.8. See, these are the old Flowtech headers, and I still got the stock one on this one because these were wrong and I had to move my truck. And on the passenger side, wouldn't clear, it would hit up right there on the frame. So I'm gonna be running the same setup. Oh yeah, here's another wheel to hit. So we got these headers. I'm gonna be running the same one as my brother has. And his Silverado, he's a 99
See, this is a good one.
99 or 2001 extended cab, four-wheel drive though. And we'll see how they sound.
Just don't bite into snap on, bro.
So the main bolts.
Go anywhere else but snap on.
13mm bolts. This one's only being held on by like 2 or 3. We gotta take that one all off.
You move it. Oh, yeah.
And then we'll do another tutorial on installing them. Alright, we got both headers off.
Now we just gotta put the gaskets.
And put on the new headers. So we got one bolt on just to mock it up.
Yeah, this one's up.
And then now it's just to position it right and get them. Just 2 more bolts that we need to put on. And then fully tighten it. And then connect the rest of the white pipe and then, or do the passenger side and then connect the rest of the white pipe. Connect the exhaust back. And yeah. Oh yeah.
What up?
Another easy step that I did to install, or that I found easy, was disconnecting this. Gives you more leverage to actually put in the headers.
Pásame la botella.
Just need to put the bolt back in to there, which I'm about getting out. My brother working on the other side with Rob. Kind of struggling for it, but we'll get it to work this time for sure. We're struggling getting the passenger side off.
Homeboy, straighten them out way.
Struggling the passenger side off. So
Go back down.
we disconnected the motor mount and lifted the motor a little. So hopefully this gives them more space to squeeze in because of some tiny lines. Alright, so we got this side on. Just need to put the bolts in and the gasket. Hopefully I actually have clearance once I drop the motor back down, put the motor mounts back on. And yeah, and then the rest is pretty much a walking.
That shit hurt, bro.
I did those a while back, but got the headers on, right? But the white pipe didn't seem to fit, so I'm gonna drive it home open headers. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. We'll see.
3 days later.
Alright, so it's Saturday, and we're back here with the header installation. We had to drop the transmission cross member to put on the white pipe, but everything bolted up. So we got the homie Angel up in here, and my brother over there again. And yeah, I'll post a video, or I'll record how it sounds after with the long. So mission accomplished. Got a couple exhaust leaks. Yeah. But overall, sounds clean. Oh yeah, there's the hit. You can't really tell anymore, but basically my exhaust right there. But I'll get a couple more sound videos once we leave the house and my dad doesn't yell at me. But you know, pretty happy with the way it sounds so far.
Este gallardo hace que me ponga a pensar. Disculpa mija, esta noche no voy a estar. Un jalón más y el gallardo se empieza a terminar. Con permiso me tengo que pasar a retirar. Mira qué linda estás, eso no se te va a quitar.